I'm starting off by using this color bar primer. I'm going to use it all over my eyelids and under my eyes. I'm going to start off with my eyes today, and then I'm going to use the True Match Concealer by L'Oreal, dotting it a little bit, and yes, I'm going to blend it out with my fingers. This will make sure to do a little bit of color correction, and then I'm going to set my eyes using the compact powder by Maybelline. Time for brows, and now I'm using the PAC eyebrow pencil just to define my eyebrows, and then over that I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from the palette which is by Makeup Revolution, I guess. And yes, I'm mixing them together, and then I will go on with the spoolie again just to set everything out. For my eyes, I'm starting off by this matte brown shade from the Freedom Pro palette. You know the drill, guys. I love to do or use this eyeshadow for everything, just everything. Just trust me, this is wonders. And then I'm going to use this black eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution I Had palette. I'm using the palette for the second time, and I really like the colors in it, but the pigmentation isn't that good, but still I just went ahead with it. And I'm just using that black eyeshadow on the outer crease and blending it out with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to use this blue color from the LA Girl palette. Oh my god, this blue color is so stunning. This really makes the eyes look beautiful, and it is super pigmented, guys. And if you want to make it more pigmented, just use a little bit of setting spray. And on my lower lashes, I'm using the black and the brown together. Now it's time to tightline my eyes. I'm using the Maybelline's kajal to tightline it, and I'm using the same kajal in the lower waterline, and then I will later on smudge the kajal with a smudger brush. And then I will draw the wing eyeliner using the Colossal Liner by Maybelline's. I wasn't going for a bold wing eyeliner, but then an incident happened, guys, and the bold wing eyeliner happened. But I really like the way it has turned out. I usually don't draw or go with a bold wing eyeliner, but since I'm keeping the lips neutral and it's still a makeup look for a event or for something special, so I guess this could work. And then for the inner corners, I'm using that peachy pink color from the I Had palette, and I will just use that same color to define my brow bones. After curling my lashes, I'm using the Push Up Drama by Maybelline. Oh my god, this is my new favorite. This really does wonders to your eyelashes, and it really separates each eyelashes, but you have to be very careful while you use it because yeah, it is a waterproof one. And then after just dusting out any excess product on my face, I'm using the primer, and then I will use the L'Oreal foundation. I'm using two foundation together because my shade isn't available. And don't worry, you guys, if you think this is a little white on me, this will oxidize later on as the day passes on. And then I'm going to highlight my under eyes and bridge of my nose using the concealer which is by True Match L'Oreal, and then I'm going to blend everything out using the Beauty Blender, the tip of the Beauty Blender, because Beauty Blender is a multi-purpose product, guys. To contour my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. I usually don't go for a heavy contouring, but whenever it's about parties or some events or some occasion, who doesn't like to have cheekbones, guys? I do. So I'm doing that. I'm blending it out using the fluffy side of the Beauty Blender. Yeah. And then to set under my eyes, I'm using this compact powder which is by Maybelline, and yeah, that smells nice, by the way. To highlight highest point of my face, I'm using the Savannah highlighter today. I almost forgot I own this, guys, and this highlighter is just magic. And for my cheeks, I'm using this pink color by, I think this is by the brand Oriflame. Yes, this is super pigmented and good for daily use. And you know me, guys, I'm again customizing the lipstick today. I'm using the Lip Gradation by Maybelline, and over that I'm using a plum shade which is by Lakme Absolute. I wanted a peachy pink lips, and to mattify the lipstick I'm using the compact powder by Maybelline. So this is the finished look, guys. I really like the way the makeup has turned out. To finish out the look, I'm wearing this studded earrings which are from a local store. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. This Eid, just glam yourself up, guys, for an event, for Eid, or just for a day. You deserve that. And I wish you all a happy Eid and happy Ramzan. Just stay happy, guys, and spread the love. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.